incredible superpowers of insects. Hello, little explorers. Have you ever wondered what makes insects so amazing? They may be tiny, but they have some of the coolest superpowers on the planet. Get ready to dive into the fascinating world of insects and discover their special abilities. 1. Super strength. Did you know that ants can carry objects that are 50 times heavier than their own body? That's like you carrying a car on your back. Ants use their super strength to gather food, build their homes, and protect their colony. They're the real superheroes of the insect world. 2. Master builders. Some insects are incredible architects. Take bees, for example. They build hexagon-shaped honeycombs that are super strong and perfectly organized. Termites, on the other hand, construct giant mounds that are like skyscrapers in the insect world. Isn't that amazing? 3. Camouflage experts. Many insects are masters of disguise. The stick insect looks just like a twig, and leaf insects blend perfectly into leaves. Why do they do this? To hide from predators. It's like their very own invisibility cloak. 4. Flight champions. Ever seen a dragonfly zoom through the air? They can fly forward, backward, and even hover in one spot, like a helicopter. Butterflies, on the other hand, flutter gracefully from flower to flower. Imagine having wings that let you fly anywhere you want. 5. Communication wizards. Insects have their own special ways to talk to each other. Fireflies use flashes of light to send messages. Bees perform a waggle dance to show their friends where to find food. Isn't that the coolest way to communicate? 6. Nature's recyclers. Did you know that dung beetles clean up the environment by rolling animal waste into balls? These little cleaners help keep the world a healthier place. Even tiny insects play a big role in nature. 7. Eyes that see everything. Most insects have compound eyes, made up of thousands of tiny lenses. This allows them to see in many directions at once. That's why a fly is so hard to catch. It can see you coming from almost any angle. 8. Super speed. Some insects are super fast. The tiger beetle is one of the fastest bugs in the world, running so quickly it sometimes has to stop and look around because it outruns its own vision. How crazy is that? 9. Builders of silk. Spiders aren't the only silk spinners. Certain insects like silkworms produce silk, too. This strong, shiny material is used to build cocoons, webs, and even traps for their prey. Silk is one of nature's strongest and most beautiful creations. 10. Living glow sticks. Have you ever seen a firefly lighting up the night? That glow is called bioluminescence, and some insects use it to attract mates or scare off predators. Imagine glowing in the dark to talk to your friends. It's like magic. Why are insects so important? Insects aren't just cool, they're also super important for our planet. They pollinate plants, provide food for other animals, and even help recycle dead plants and animals back into the soil. Without insects, life on Earth wouldn't be the same. Final thought. So, the next time you see a tiny ant, a buzzing bee, or a glowing firefly, remember, these little creatures have some of the most incredible abilities in the animal kingdom. They may be small, but they are mighty. Now, what's your favorite insect superpower? Let us know in the comments. Keep exploring, keep discovering, and remember, science is always buzzing with excitement.